Hi everyone, I'm Nicola from Elimee Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a foundation double crochet. So this is particularly helpful for some of our patterns, such as the Caitlin zigzag blanket and the Waggle Dance bee blanket. The reason that it's helpful is that it avoids you having to do that whole foundation chain. Foundation chains can be fiddly and they twist very easily, so this helps to bypass that step and make things a little bit easier for you. All you need to get yourself started is the yarn that you're going to be using, the appropriate size crochet hook for your yarn, and your selected pattern. So if I unravel some of this yarn to get us going, we're going to start by making a slip knot. We're then going to place our hook through that loop and tighten things up, and then chain 2. So the first loop that we're going to be working through is that very first chain, so it's the furthest from our hook. So we're going to yarn over as if we're making a double crochet, place our hook through that first chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. So at the moment you've got 3 loops on your hook. You're next going to yarn over and pull through just that very first loop. So you're going to keep those 3 loops. You're then going to complete your double crochet as normal. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you have your first foundation double crochet. So you've got the usual V at the top of your stitch, and you have a V on the bottom as well, which is where you're going to be working your next stitch. So you're just going to keep repeating this process. So yarn over as if you're going to make your next double crochet, pop it through that V at the bottom, and then pull up a loop. Pull your yarn through the first loop, then pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops. So that's your second double crochet. Now it's really important, particularly when you're doing that first pulling through just the 1 loop, that you don't work too tightly. Otherwise your stitches, instead of ending up in a nice straight line, are going to cause a bit of a curve and end up looking a bit like a sad face. So we just keep going. So through that bottom V, pull up a loop, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Let me just grab some more yarn. Okay, so we are simply going to repeat this process until our foundation double crochet chain as such is as long as we would like it to start our project. So I'm just going to do a few more just so that you can see exactly what it looks like. So there we go. You've now got a row of foundation double crochets. Now this bit that you started with, you can just tighten up so that it's not going to go anywhere. And once you've done your subsequent rows and finished your project and blocked it if necessary, you'll find that it looks beautifully neat. And you've got these lovely V's on the bottom, which make working a border, if you're doing things like a blanket, that little bit easier. So I hope that you have found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions or any other tutorials that you'd like me to make, please just leave me a comment below. And until next time, happy crocheting!